I'll just automate it. Is this really necessary? Worship can be such a powerful experience if it's done right. But it takes a really big team to make it all happen. Either you have a giant team with someone for CG, someone for audio, someone directing, lighting, etc. Or you just have someone like me, and it's my job to do everything. What do you do in that situation? Well, you automate it. At least that's the only thing I really can do. Let's say I wasn't in the situation of having to do everything, and instead I had a team of 6 people to do all this. But I still wanted to automate lighting because it works so well. Should I just kick out all of my existing operators because I got the machine to do their job for them? Or do I keep them there just waiting until something goes wrong? Or do I just give up preparing anything and let them do what they want? I don't know what's best for everyone. Well, here, let's go look at an example in the main service. In here, there are 6 positions total. We've got an audio engineer, lighting designer, that's my job, video director, CG1 for lyrics, CG2 for backgrounds, TV wall for more backgrounds, and stage display for lyrics as well. If we're fully staffed, every one of these positions could be filled with a human operator. Each of those operators knows exactly what to do and is very good at their position. If we're short-staffed, which positions should we start to knock out first? In other words, what would be the ideal positions to automate that results in the best outcome for the service as well as the best outcome for the remaining operators? This seems like it could be a question of ethics and specifically utilitarian ethics, which is considering the right actions that maximize the overall well-being of everyone involved. If we were to, say, take out the audio engineer or the video director, no machine could truly replace that, so we'll keep those positions no matter what. CG2 and TV wall are just pressing backgrounds, so if they miss a few weeks, will they really lose any skill when they return? Not necessarily, so we'll consider those to be positions that we can work on. What about CG1 or stage display? They're both having to time the lyrics perfectly to the music, so if we add MIDI triggers in the session file to replicate their moves and something eventually goes wrong, what are the chances they'll be able to instantly pick up that timing again? Well, personally, I don't think it would be all that easy to get back on time, but we'll label those as being on vacation occasionally. This way, we take into account what's best for the operators as well as what's the best for the entire service. Now, what I just demonstrated down there is just a theoretical situation. It's one that my team and I have been discussing for actually quite a long time. We didn't know it, but we were basing our decisions on what would be best for everyone, from the audience being able to read the words at the right time, to the people whose skills could be diminished if they didn't exercise their slide timing from time to time. Even such a small dilemma such as this, Mill's utilitarianism played a role in determining the outcome, but ultimately balanced out with just moral judgment to keep certain operators so when they are most needed, their skills wouldn't be diminished, and they wouldn't feel like they were needed anymore. Unlike big factories that have all turned to automation anyway because the assembly line is so repetitive, small operations like this rely on very specific sets of skills that just can't be thrown out. We need a team, and the team ultimately needs us.